Hello dear Virgos, this is your reading for the new moon of May 11th, 2021. For those of you coming back, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are keeping safe. Okay, let me shuffle. I'm going to select two cards from this deck, and these are the special messages from your guardian angels. Let me select what's the hidden one. Angel of truth and honesty. Maybe this one. Angel of focus. Okay. Maybe some kind of truth and honesty is coming into your picture. I don't know. I believe either it's you, Virgos, or it's the other person who's not being honest around this time. Maybe you'll have to focus in order to see, or get deep into something, or do more research, or investigate more in order to find out the truth. Because the angel of focus and the angel of truth and honesty means either you need to be honest or the other person needs to be honest with you. And whatever it is to you, it is going on in your life, you'll have to look harder for the truth around this time. Let's see what the angel of truth and honesty is saying. Are you holding back something you need to say? Maybe you are not being honest completely. Maybe you saw something, okay? Maybe you looked hard enough. Maybe something, I have this feeling that you found out something on maybe social media, that your partner is cheating on you, or is doing something which is nasty, or just generally talking to girls, or you found out something. You are not speaking it up. You're not bringing that up with your partner because maybe you're afraid that this might spoil your relationship. We all do that sometimes. We kind of hide the truth, or because you know that it will lead to a fight, or it will likely be the end of relationship. Though you are not wrong, the other person is wrong. The other person is the one who's doing the wrong things, but you're still fearing the end of the relationship because you don't want to, because you still want to keep this person in your life. It says the angel is asking you, basically the angel says the truth about a certain matter needs to be spoken. So in case you are hiding something and you did something wrong, then Virgos, the ball is in your court. And if the other person did wrong and you are hiding it just because you're scared, then the angel is asking you to speak up. Honesty is important at this time. Maybe you are saving something right now only to turn it into a bigger problem tomorrow. Bigger problem for yourself only, Maybe you have lied to somebody and it's a small lie. Tomorrow it can become a bigger one when your partner finds out, I feel. And if you don't clarify what you have found out about your partner, then it might lead to major problems tomorrow, because this is such a small thing maybe that you're ignoring at this point of time, and tomorrow maybe this was like a red flag for you and you ignored it, and then tomorrow you will be so deep in that relationship that it will be difficult for you to break up, and it will cause you tremendous pain and hurt. So be honest. Have the courage to speak up with grace. It's saying, be calm. Don't start a fight, but I mean, if it has to happen, it will happen, but you normally talk it out, okay? Loving words have the power to heal or improve a situation. So maybe you have to speak politely with love to your partner. Politely and lovingly, just ask them what's wrong, just ask them what's happening, or just tell them what you did. Maybe your person will appreciate your honesty and will forgive you, and if it's the other person who's doing wrong, maybe the way you will talk to them will melt their heart and will kind of push them to be a better person. We don't know that. So the positive affirmation from the angel of truth and honesty for you around the new moon is that will help you that will give you the courage to basically speak up whatever that's going on in your mind. Maybe you have feelings for somebody. I think maybe you have feelings for somebody and you're holding it back because you're afraid of the rejection. So don't do that. Speak up. Maybe you don't know, maybe the other person is waiting for your call or your message. Maybe they are waiting for you to propose, and they're too shy to speak up. So because this card has come in your picture, the angels are asking you to take that first step. It says, I live my truth and honestly, this is a positive affirmation that you need to say. I live my truth and honestly communicate what is on my mind with ease. I effortlessly find the words to express my truth and speak eloquently and lovingly. I surround myself with people who are not afraid to honestly express themselves. So definitely, if you say these affirmations, that will kind of help you be positive with your loved ones, and this will also send magnetic energies to the other person around you and will help them also speak up the truth, right? That is what it says, because you will be surrounded with people who honestly express themselves. Beautiful. Let's see what the angel of focus is asking you. Have you been feeling scattered lately? Of course, when there's so much going on in your heart which you're hiding from the other person, the true feelings from the other person. Maybe you guys are fighting with each other and you are waiting for their call, they are waiting for your call. You guys are kind of waiting for something to be clarified. You have to make the first move, okay? Are you unable to focus on what's important? Of course, when you're trying to hide something or you found out something and you don't want to clarify, that affects your work, right? That definitely affects your work. That affects everything that you're doing. Maybe you guys would be fighting. And why you're fighting? Because you found out something and now you're agitated and now you're all scattered and you have started hating that person, but you still won't talk about it, Something like that. Or maybe if you are the one who has lied to the other person, then you are just feeling guilty and that's why you're just kind of self-sabotaging, but you still won't talk to the other person, and that's why there are fights. The angel is saying, look at all that is going on around you. Prioritize your intentions. Focus on one thing at a time. Ground yourself so that you can accomplish your goals. Okay? So the positive affirmation that you need to say around the new moon, which you can start saying today itself: I am focused and stay on track until a matter or situation is settled or complete. I accomplish what I set out to do. I pay attention and listen carefully. I am attentive to my own needs and the needs of others. Right? So maybe it's the other person who is trying to tell you something and you have been ignoring for a very long time. So if you'll say these positive affirmations, then this will help you be a much better listener, which you are not around this time. So once you start saying this, maybe you will be able to listen carefully to what the other person has to say and analyze carefully and understand what they has to say. If they have done you wrong, then if the truth comes out, this will help you be more loving, more understanding to where they're coming from. Why did they do what they did? Why did they lie in the first place? So in order to adapt whatever is about to happen around this time, please pick up these positive affirmations because they are from your guides. And be honest and receive honesty only. Okay, Virgos, this was your reading for the new moon of May 11, 2021. Take care and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.